Okay, I'm just going to cut this back. We have something underneath. Last time we did this, there was a bit of hypergranulation tissue. Oh yes, looks like there's an ulcer underneath. You feeling okay?
Yeah, fine.
See how far this goes. If I pull on this bit, does it hurt? Does it hurt?
No.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Just a little tiny pinch, okay? You okay?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Just gonna sting a little bit.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just gonna dress it now. How was that?
That's fine.
A little bit sore.
Yeah, sore.
Was it? Would you have preferred to have the injection?
Do you know what? It's a tricky one because the injection hurts a lot. So that hurts, but is it as bad as the injection? I don't know. They're probably equal, actually.
They're probably equal.
Do you know? Like by the time it's been injected, you're like, okay. I don't feel it when it's being done, but
Yes.